This is the video for routine 101 of the last pick game. It uses the variable name showtime to know how long it's supposed to show the picture of the animal's face before it stops. It's roughly 1.5 seconds to 2 seconds. So it subtracts 1 from the showtime every cycle that goes around, and when it's less than or equal to 0, it'll go to BG down here and just go home without displaying any animal picture. However, if it hasn't gotten to 0 yet, it sets L to the show level and then sets the picture to the picture for that level. In other words, either the cat to the bird. Then it sets L, well, it multiplies L by 15 because there's 5 sets of 15 boxes, but each picture is shown in only a certain number of the boxes. So there's really 5 sets of the 15 boxes. Then it sets X value to AG, Y value to BG. That's the upper left-hand corner of the rectangle of all 15 pictures. It sets T to CG, and also W will be set to the same value. That is the height and width of each picture. Then it sets a value R to 0. It's going to be used to determine which row it is on and when to go to another row. Then it says for I of 0, down here it says next I 14, 1 at a time. It's going to go around 15 times. That will be once for each one of the boxes. Well, the next thing it says, branch if not equal, show picture L to 1. In other words, on this level, does this animal picture get shown? If it's not a 1, it goes to BE, which means it goes down here and just adds the CG value to X without showing the picture. However, it is a 1, that means it is to show the picture. And this is where it shows it. And every time it goes around, it comes down here and adds the CG value, which is the width of a picture, to X. It moves 1 picture to the right. Then it adds 1 to R. It's going to keep track of where it's at, row-wise. And if it's less than or equal to 4, it'll go to BF down here. Otherwise, they'll say, now wait, I've gotten greater than 4, so therefore I'm going to a new row. So I have to set my X value back to the beginning of the rows, AG, but I have to add that CG value to Y to go down to the next row. Then it sets R back to 0, so it can count up to 4 again and then know when it is to change rows. Well, also every time it goes around, it increases the value of L by 1. That's the show picture offset. Alright, once all that is done, it goes home. So this routine displays a particular animal's face in the boxes if showtime says it still can. So this is the end of the video for routine 101 of the last pick game.